Hey, I've got a decent budget for a new computer. It's finally time to upgrade from my crummy laptop. I've got all the parts I need in this PC part picker list. This thing is going to be great. A Ryzen 5600X, an RTX 3070, 32 gigs of RAM, and it all fits into my budget. Now all that's left to do is to buy it. Why is it all out of stock? Who designed this website?
Help me, Linus!
Sign up for stock alerts right now. Who is paying triple price for this? Linus, help! Oh, hey, I got the CPU.
It doesn't work without the graphics card.
Come on, Newegg.
Yes! They sent me a broken one. Ah!